Ladies and gentlemen, I got an interesting project here. It's a 19 Toyota Highlander. It's the guy right there with some very severe dent on the bumper. I wanted to show you what steps I take when I remove dents from bumpers. As you guys can see, this whole bumper got pushed in. We got some more damage here to the paint. That's something that we're not going to be able to repair. This specific part, we're going to leave it alone, but we're going to take care of this bumper here and also of this area here where the bumper meets the fender. The bumper got pushed out. And this is what it looks like here. And that's what it looks like here on the top, right where the headlight meets the bumper cover. And this is the area that I mentioned earlier with some paint damage. So my first step is to remove this clips here. That's one clip. There's one screw. I want to take this and that off, and this as well. So my next step is to go ahead and get my heat gun, plug it in, all right, and start heating up this panel. I want to be as careful as possible in order not to burn this paint. I'm gonna get my hand right behind this bumper and start slowly heating up this panel. And applying the pressure from the back side. And this is what this bumper looks like now. So right now we have this bumper. As we can see, there's a huge wide opening right here. We have to deal with that. As we can see, this bumper popped out in this area here. We have to fix that as well. And this is overall look for this bumper. This is how it looks right now. So I still have to fix this area here. I'm gonna take care of this, and also I am going to take care of this spot here, right here. And we should be done with that. I want to put this bumper back in its place, and I'll give you a little secret here, like a little hint. If you look down, there's some tabs from the headlight and this plastic piece from this bumper. This plastic part here of this bumper has to be on the top of those tabs. Right now you can see it is hitting that tab, but it has to be upward, like there's a groove where this bumper has to go in. So you basically have to get, in my case I'm gonna use my trim panel removal tool. I'm gonna slide in like this, but you can do the same thing with a regular screwdriver. I'm gonna slide in like this. Just be careful, don't scratch the headlight, right? Just like that. You move it a little bit, try it out. Now it's good to go. All you gotta do, just push it in. That's it. And this area here, this part, has no screws that holds this in its place. So it's just the one plastic bracket that holds this whole bumper in its place. All you gotta do, just push it in and hear this click. That's it. There we go. As you can see, it's back. Wonderful. And this area is no longer open. That's a little secret for this bumper repair. replace our fender liner back in its place, and that also an easy, it's not a difficult job. This fender liner has to go and slide in just like that, and this part has to go in. Same with this part. Now all set. Now we have to put all our screws that we had to remove. This guy, this, just like that, and 2 screws. One is here, one is up there. Like this, the bottom one, like that. That's it. Now we're all done, everything back in its place, just the way it's supposed to be. All the slow screws. And this is what the final result looked like. Again, as I mentioned before, this part, I would not be able to do anything with that because there's some paint damage. Everything lined up perfectly, including this area here. If you guys find my video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see some more cool stuff. Thank you.